Hi everybody, welcome to week 2. So this is my whiteboard. It's not really fancy and I know there's a bit of glare, but I will come back here quite a bit in the second half of the term actually, when the course really gets heavy into the math, and we'll do a whole lot of the math right here. Okay, hope everybody had a chance to get through the first video last week. I got a couple of emails, just questions to clarify stuff, but hopefully there wasn't too much confusion about the fact that there was no lab for last week. I think it's next week. No, it's 2 weeks away yet, I think, week 4, when once again it's more of a practical lab, and so we're just going to throw that one aside and not bother with it. But all of the other labs are just worksheet exercises, and so we'll be able to do those, and you can hand those in from week to week. This week, for example, it's going to be a whole bunch of hand rule exercises. So you already learned a couple of hand rules last week, the conductor hand rule and the coil hand rule. This week's lesson has a third hand rule to introduce, and so we will proceed to work on that. After the video, there's actually going to be 3 videos for this week: my quick introductory video, and then the PowerPoint itself, and then the third video we're going to come back here again, and I am going to do some exercises related to the new hand rule that you're going to use. It's a bit of a tricky one. And it includes the AC circuit, which I know you guys haven't had a chance to learn anything about AC yet, so I'll have a chance. I will take the time to do a little bit of that, a quick introduction to that, and build into the idea that we need to work on, which is, if you're looking at the printout of PowerPoints, the very last slide talks about Lenz's law and an AC circuit. That is what we're going to come back and do here on the whiteboard for the third video. So I think that'll kind of be what you can expect from week to week throughout the course. Sometimes there may be only a single video. Probably more likely there'll be 2 or 3 videos. Some instructional stuff as well as some stuff here. What else should I say here before we carry on? I can't really think of too much more. Again, the routine will be, the videos are there for you to watch at any time. We'll meet on Wednesdays, chat just briefly, make sure everybody's on track, and then Friday at midnight will be the deadline for each week's exercises. So without saying anything more, I think that covers the welcome, and let's move into the lesson. On to video 2.